Hey guys, how to add to your LinkedIn experience section. So click your avatar icon at the top left, and of course press your name or your photo at the top. Scroll a little bit down. Of course, you're gonna add right here your experience. As you can see, I didn't add any type of platform or position, so I'm fresh, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and hit add experience, or if you already added a position, you can just go ahead and add a new position, and that will add another layer to your experience. So you're gonna add the title, of course, and employment type, full-time, part-time, in the company or organization, in the start date and end date, or if you're currently working in this role, right? Select the location type, on-site, hybrid, or remote, description, profile headline, and of course, where did you find this job, okay? And you can add, of course, skills or photos or videos to demonstrate your experience. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Don't forget to hit save afterwards.